everyone, welcome to Origami Cakes. So today I'm going to be showing you a model that, well, you're just not an origami model until you have a tutorial on this. It's the, everybody knows it, Transforming Ninja Star. I made a couple small ones here. They're pretty fun to make actually, and then I made a larger one out of printer sized paper. And it's really exciting, so I just wanted to show you guys how to do it. And they're pretty simple. They just transform their circles, transform into stars, and there's no real point to them. I mean, they're just cool to mess around with. But if you're actually wanting to throw it, I would suggest making the four-pointed ninja star, because these ones tend to break apart easy. So yeah, let's go. Okay, so here we are at the desk, and the paper I'm going to be using is just this simple, got it at Walmart. They're basically just sticky notes that are not sticky, and I'm using these. I recommend using, I like the size these make. These are these ones. But I recommend using double-sided paper, double-sided colored paper, because if you make some uneasy folds, then look at, it'll show some white there. But if it's double-sided, it won't show. So that's what I'm going to do now. So you want to get out. If you're gonna make it multicolored, which I suggest it entirely, then you're gonna get 4 of each color, unless you're 8 pieces altogether, unless of course you're doing a different, more complicated pattern than just every other color. So yeah, just get that many. Alrighty, so I have my paper, 4 of each color, 8 pieces altogether, laid out in front of me right here, and yeah. So I'll just start out folding this one, and then we'll go on from there. So simply fold it in half, or I guess it is still in half, just like many other models. Simply in half. So you're gonna be making an X across your cute little piece of paper. And yeah, this is a super easy model to figure out, and once you get into a rhythm, you can make quite a few at one time anyway. So just fold it half again, half, and open it up. So what I did there is triangle, unfold, triangle, unfold, and rectangle, just like that. And then when you unfold it again, now what you're going to want to do is take this corner and take it down, and to the center line here, just take it and fold it down like so, just like you're making one of those derpy little paper airplanes that I don't like. And then on the other side as well, just take it over here and fold that too, so you have something like this. And then you want to fold it in half, and it might get a little crinkly, but that's fine. Now, here's what we're going to do. So you have your little shape. I don't know what exactly that is. It's like a triangle with a square attached to its butt. Anyway, you're going to see, as you can see, there's these little creases here and one on each side here. So you're going to just take this and push it in, like you're collapsing it. Anyway, so look at this. Woo! And then fold it in. And right here, you see this crease right here. You want to make sure it's nice and very strong. So one more time, everyone, you simply push down and it should collapse on itself neatly. And that's it. That's one of your little pieces. And you just have to repeat that with all of your other pieces. So, here goes. Finally, okay, so we finished, or I finished, I don't know about you, but I finished making my 8 pieces of paper, and now it is time for me to explain to you how exactly I will be connecting them to form the beautiful rings, which will later appear like this. And that's that. So, first of all, what you're going to want to do, if you have multicolored, which maybe you don't, then you're going to start with one color and just grab any random Joe from the other side, and so here is how it works. You take your pieces and you make them so that the edge with the 2 flappies is on one side and the edge with the down pointy is on another side. You don't want to like that, that's dumb, that's for super dumb people. So you're going to take them and you're just going to put this one inside that one. Whoop. Just like so. And you want to put it down till it's just in there, like that. And now what you're going to want to do is you're going to take these 2 flaps and you're going to simply fold them down inside there like that and crease it, and you want it down there as tight as possible. You want it to be extremely tight. So, and then it's stuck like that, and you repeat that process over and over and over again until you come to the end. But for now, we'll just go one freaking jiggy at a time. And you have no idea how boring this gets after like 500 million years of nothing but one after the other. Makes me think of bad things, such as sushi. If you like sushi, you are a, well, I suppose I can't say, because everyone is entitled to their own opinion, and that is one of the 6 basic rules of the universe. And I'm not going to bore you with them, because one of them is like a paragraph long, and it deals with lots of scientific things which I am not permitted to say on YouTube. Did you know there's a list of things you are not allowed to say on YouTube? You're just not allowed to say them. And I have no idea if that's actually true, but maybe it is. And if it is, then you better not say those things, because they might just kick you off and make it so you can't ever come back on. And then, where would you learn wonderful origami such as this? I mean, who would tell you if not I? Or the millions of other people who do this stupid model. Alright, anyway. We're just about to our last one here. And once you're there, then, well, I'm not there. I'm not going to talk about it till I'm there. So just don't even try. Alright, here we are. So as you can see, we're at a sort of a dilemma, because, anyway, here's what you do. You just, and stick it in there, and this last one is always the hardest one, because there's already a little guy sitting in there, so it's rather difficult to get your little guy, your other little flappy guy in there. But once you do, then you will not believe the difference it makes on this model. I mean, it is just spectacular. Just ingenious. Who invented this model? Who was it? I can't say. You know, I don't actually know. It's such, I tried to find, you have to forgive me for that interruption. Anyway, so here we are. I'll just do that last one over again. And I've quite lost, I think it was this one. You just stick it in that little flap and pray to whatever God you believe in that it will not start snowing wherever you are, because snow is bad for cars and lots of other things. And if you have a Ferrari, you're screwed with snow, or sports car or whatever, because they are not. Anyway, here is your finished model, and it takes a bit of breaking in, and you simply have to, the first one, you just simply have to very slowly get it folded out. But then after a couple times of folding it, it should get easier and easier. And as you can see, sometimes it's like an uneven, but that happens. It's life, you know. Sorry again. Okay, my memory card's running out of space, so I have to hurry. Anyway, here we go. This is it, and goodbye. I have to go.